And your pull starts here.
Pull starts there.
It's cable. It's not rope.
Oh, it looks like rope.
It's cable inside of it.
Oh, wow. Heavy duty.
I have some extras of those. Your throttle here, it actually has a clutch.
Has a clutch.
So that's disengaged.
And it's
a cone clutch.
And that's how many cc's, Chuck?
245.
245. Twin cylinder. Mercury. How long is that bar?
6.5 feet. From end to end, it's almost 10 feet. And this guy up here tensions the chain.
Oh, get out.
Watch
the bottom. Yeah, you just pulled it right up. Boy, that's handy, huh?
And then
oiler.
Your bar oiler is here, and then you actually adjust your, your flow rate.
Yeah.
Right here.
What year?
1943.
1943.
Yeah.
World War
II. So let's see if she fires up.
Hell yeah. Looks like it's got a gearbox on it right there, huh?
Yeah, there's the other thing. 4,000 RPMs. It's got a governor. It won't run any faster than 4,000 RPMs. And it's got a gearbox that's 2.5 to 1. So it's reduced even more. So change speed is only 1,500.
It's slowish, but it's super torquey.
Yeah. Because as it's running, you can watch that white
go around. You can almost count it.
Each other. Yep. So let's see if it does start up.
It's gonna be loud. Yeah.